Hello everyone. Welcome to the Comforting Zone. Today I will show you some cool gadgets you can buy online. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's jump into the video. Do you have trouble about parking in a garage? Are you often too close to the side, too far forward, or too far back? Fossmann's dual laser parking assistant will allow you to park in the correct spot every time. With its simple installation and setup, the garage parking aid will be ready to use in minutes. No more busted bumpers and doors. This updated product from Fossmann is perfect for a 1 or 2 car garage. The angle of the two lasers is widened up to 75 degrees, which can safely and efficiently assist 2 cars. The motion-activated lasers have a detection range of 33 feet or 10 meters, and will shut off after 30 seconds without motion. Nulaxy KM30 Bluetooth car adapter provides multi-solutions for your hands-free driving and in-car stereo streaming. It features a big display screen offering a wider visual interface for more information, such as incoming phone number, track name, FM frequency, battery voltage, Bluetooth connected device and more. KM30 utilizes stronger microphone, greatly amplifies sound reception and strengthens sound quality, bringing a higher level of experience. You can stream music directly from your car radio via Bluetooth, microSD card, out, and enjoy free switching between treble and bass mode. The color spectrum auto syncs with your music. Custom engineered or a Bluetooth chipset is set so that you don't get poor connection from distance and through the car or truck firewall that many other kits have issues with. Revolutionary LED design combines micro LEDs of all 3 primary colors into a single SMD. This allows a perfect mixture of color at the micro level, emitting a more pure, brilliant light color. When the beat drops and you're lost in the moment, your heart won't be the only thing racing. SoundSync illuminates the music with finely tuned bass-activated technology. It's time to experience your music in a whole new light. This RGB car light is composed of a voice-activated rhythm light and an air freshener exhaust clip, which not only adjusts the air environment in the car, but also allows you to enjoy the fun of the light changing with car stereo music or your voice. The interior LED light's equipped with a built-in high-sensitive mic. It adjusts colors and speed following the ambient music as well as sound. Say goodbye to dreary car trip. Built-in 200 mAh battery, can work continuously for 36 hours. This aromatherapy light also supports working while charging. The compact size makes it easy to carry and doesn't interfere with car vents. This car cup holder expander for heat and cool can keep your beverages hot or cold. The heating function is up to 60 degrees Celsius, and the cooling function is as low as 10 degrees Celsius. This dual car cup holder is made of ABS plastic, is sturdy and durable, with no pointed tips nor edges. Special striped appearance makes the car cup holder looks different from others. Non-slip rubber base on the bottom, which will decrease the concussion and noise between cup holder, car and cup for firm storage. Timigo parking space locks provide total protection for your car and parking space. Saying no to those who try to take your space. Perfect for commercial and private use, you can park in your space without any problems whenever you come home. Give visitors entering the parking lot a space site with numbered parking locks without the hassle of not having enough space. Can also be used as a parking stopper. Pull up the lock just to the height of the car chassis position.
Introducing Timigo X1 4-in-1 Portable Car Combo Kit. The kit that all you need. Plug in the car jump starter adapter and quickly turn on the engine. And it's 1200 amps current capable for a variety of large vehicles. And now, here we go. X1 pumper can replenish the tire pressure in 2 minutes. Also, it detects air pressure and stops working when the air pressure reaches automatically, not only for car tires but also to inflate the ball, bicycles, mattresses, etc. Luckily, we have a vacuum cleaner. With a higher power motor, the X1 suction power up to 10,000 pascals. Combined with the brush head and extension bar, you can clean all spots in your car, including corners and hard-to-reach areas. The X1 Portable Car Combo Kit has a USB output for daily use. It contains a battery of 10,000 mAh capacity for a long duration. X1 flashlight has various modes, including high and standard brightness, flashing, and SOS signal. The brightness can reach 300 lumens, fully meeting the outdoor and dark environment needs. So, why don't you put a handy tool in the trunk?
This gadget is a fuel cap cover meant to embellish your car. Fuel caps are usually made of plastic and always look the same, be it on small cars or luxury cars. It is an important part of the car even if it is not visible, and the fuel cap cover is here to improve both the aesthetic and the texture of this part. A charm point of our fuel cap cover is that, on top of being made from genuine aluminum, it gives off a very beautiful and high quality vibe. Each piece is carefully carved out of an A6061 aluminum alloy block. It is hidden most of the time, but this is a piece you will get to see each time you refill your tank, and the texture of the aluminum gives a strong impression. Today our next gadget is DriveMo Max X Portable Air Compressor. Up to 40 liters per minute high-speed airflow can inflate your car from 26 pounds per square inch to 35 pounds per square inch quickly as about 55s, saving your time. Equipped with 3x4000 mAh battery, which is plus 30% more power than other ordinary cordless air inflators on the market. The 7.4 touchscreen displays clearly show the indicators, making no effort to get to know how the tire pump works. With the latest smart touch technology, there is no need to press hard, and it benefits arthritic patients. Not only does it support cordless pumping, but you can also connect to the 12 volts DC cigarette lighter in the car to inflate your flat tires when the battery runs out. It is flexible on the road, so that you won't be in trouble. Kingslim D5 front dash cam shoots 4K UHD, 2.5K and Full HD videos, clearly capturing license plates and road signs for every recordings. You can play back and download videos without taking out the SD card and adjust the settings directly via phone app. Records and save your route and driving speed in videos. GPS module attached to the dashcam, no need to wire the GPS cable separately. Equipped with Sony image sensor, 6-layer glass lenses and HDRI dynamic range function, this dashboard recorder achieves super night vision even in low light environment. In parking mode, the dash cam has motion and collision detection, which automatically starts to record and lock those important events when detects impact or motion. These make you'll never get anxious when you leave your car. Viva brings Amazon's advanced voice service into any vehicle. Get directions, play music, get a flash briefing of your day, shop online, and more. Just ask Alexa. Dual charging ports equipped with Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology deliver blazing charging speeds to both driver and passenger. Calling, messaging, drop-in, and announcements, all hands-free. 2 powerful mics use cutting-edge technology to filter out sounds outside of normal speaking frequency. Alexa hears what you say, not the noise in your car or from the road.
Cerakote created its own proprietary cleansing wipes that allow you to literally wipe away the oxidation and weathering. Other headlight restoration kits require intense buffing and polishing with power tools, which can easily damage the headlights from melting and burning. Cerakote's Headlight Restoration Kit doesn't require any power tools. Instead, simple light sanding for 2 to 3 minutes with the included surface prep pads and discs is all that's needed for a perfect finish. Once the surface has been prepped, other kits apply a temporary treatment that breaks down quickly. Cerakote's different because they manufacture a true professional-grade ceramic coating that chemically bonds to the headlights and provides future UV protection that withstands the test of time. The process is completed in 3 easy steps and just 30 minutes of your time. Just wipe them clean, give them a light sanding, and apply the coating. That's it. You're done, and your headlights have never looked better.
Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video in next time.